Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Servant here of Servant Beats. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. You know the drill. In today's video, we're going to be making this beautiful flower-ish pearly and gold beaded bracelet. You can make this a bracelet, you can make this a choker, you can make this in any color that you want. It's very nice, very simple, perfect for a gift. Like, you guys, you need to get this done. Okay, you need to just add it to your jewelry selection. So please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and please share this video and check out my other tutorials on the jewelry that I have been making. I make jewelry for both male and female. This jewelry is so cute, so easy to wear. Like, I can't talk enough about this. So yeah, go ahead and watch the tutorial to the end without skipping any part so that you can know how to make this easy jewelry. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we start the tutorial. So for the materials you're going to need, those are 8mm pearls, 2mm transparent seed beads, those are 12mm gold beads, a gem ring, a lobster clasp, an extension, chain extension. Then you're going to need your fishing line. For this tutorial I used a 0.6mm fishing line. You can use, I recommend that you use a 0.30 fishing line because it's more flexible. And yeah, but this is the fishing line I had on hand, so I used it. So to start, you're going to pick up 10 of the 2mm transparent seed beads. So go ahead and pick up 10 of these seed beads. When you have your 10 seed beads on the fishing line, you're going to pick up one of the 8mm pearl beads and you're going to cross like you see me do in the video, and this is how your beginning should look like. So we have officially started the bracelet. So we first made a loop with those seed beads, and now we have started crossing with the pearl beads. So go ahead, on one end of one fishing line you put 2 pearl beads, on the other end of the other fishing line put 2 pearl beads, and you're going to pick up 1 pearl bead and cross it with both ends of the fishing line. Yeah, so this is how your is supposed to look like. So what your work is supposed to look like. So with the fishing line on your right hand, you're going to pick up 2 pearl beads. The fishing line on your left hand, you pick up 2 pearl beads. Then you're going to pick up 1 pearl bead and you are going to cross like so. So I'm just going to let you guys watch so that you can see what I am doing properly. Remember, do not forget to watch the video to the end and not skip any part. Yeah, so you're going to continue this pattern until you measure your bracelet on your wrist and it is left about an inch for it to wrap around your wrist, and then you can stop there. So this is what my bracelet looks like. I have 8 of these circles. I have 8 of them, and I can wrap it around my wrist with a little bit of space, as you can see me do. I still have like an inch or an inch and a half of space left to fill it up, and that is what you want. So when you have that the way you like it, you are simply going to go to your 2 millimeter seed beads, and you are going to pick up um 10 of those seed beads on just one end of your fishing line. So pick up 10 of them on one end of your fishing line, and I'm going to tell you what to do next when you are done. Now that you have all 10 beads on your one end of your fishing line, you're going to simply tie it to the other end of your fishing line like you see me do. So this is going to form another loop at the end of your bracelet. So tying it twice is completely fine. Now when you have your knot ready, you're going to take one end of the fishing line and send it through that pearl bead right there where you tied your work. And now we are going to start adding the gold beads. Yeah, so just this bracelet like this pattern that you've done is perfect for a nice plain bracelet, but if you want to add some pizzazz to it and make it look, you know, even better, you just continue following the tutorial. So you're going to insert your fishing line into the next pearl bead on your right, and you're going to do the same thing on your left. So with the fishing line on your right, you're going to insert the fishing line into the next pearl bead, and you're going to repeat the same to the fishing line on your left, and you're going to pick up one gold bead and you're going to cross it like so. Yeah, so this is basically what you have to do. Cross it like so. As you can see, it looks like a little flower. Yeah, so you're just going to insert your fishing line into the next pearl bead, then into that crossing bead that we have right there, and we are going to insert it into the next pearl bead on the other side like so. Then with the fishing line on my left, I am going to insert it into the next pearl bead right there, into that crossing bead, then into the next pearl bead on the other side. So the fishing line which was on my right moves to the left, and the fishing line on my left is going to move to my right. Yeah, so when you have both fishing lines on the next, you know, flower, you're going to pick up one gold bead and you're going to cross like so. Yeah, and you're simply going to repeat this process for each and every part of this bracelet. So as you can see, it's looking nice and cute. Guys, we're like midway through the tutorial, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel we do beaded accessories like bags, and I just started adding jewelry to the beads. So please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. You guys have been a lot of help to me and this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. If you have any requests, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. Down in the comment section as well, you can tell me what you think about the video. Tell me any requests that you have. You can go ahead and let me know. If you recreate anything that I make for my channel, tag me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram link down in the description box, so that if you make anything, you can tag me or send me a picture, and I'm going to post your picture on my Instagram and also on my community tab here on YouTube. Yeah, so you're just going to continue doing this until you get to the end of your bracelet, obviously. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we are at the end. I am going to just finish the last part like so. I've just crossed my gold bead, and what I'm going to do now is move the fishing line so that it meets the other fishing line on the other side of our work, so that we can tie it to secure it. Yeah, so just try as much as possible to move your fishing line so that they can all meet on one spot. I apologize for working out of the camera here, so that they can meet on one spot, and when they all arrive on one spot, you are simply going to tie it, knot it 2 times. 2 times is completely fine, it's secure. Then you are going to move them around your bracelet so that you can cut the excess fishing line. Never cut your fishing line where you have tied, or it's going to, if you do that, your work is going to unravel very fast, so you don't want to do that. So just go ahead and work your fishing line, tuck it into other beads in your work. Then you're simply going to cut it off. So we are basically done with the bracelet. Now we just need to make our connectors. So tuck in your fishing line, and I'm going to meet you back. So you can see how pretty it's looking like on my wrist. Guys, I'm a very tiny girl, okay? I am very small, so that is why my hands are looking very tiny. Yeah, so make sure you make your bracelet to fit your size, and even if it doesn't fit your wrist, that is why you use the extensions. So I am taking one of the jump rings here. I lost my pliers, so if you don't have a pliers, by the way, go ahead and use your scissors as pliers. So I'm just trying to insert that jump ring, so that make sure you open your jump ring very well, so that it can go into that loop that you made at the beginning and at the end of your work. So just try as much as possible to force it in. Yeah, so it was kind of difficult to open it up. Okay, so she got in, and I'm going to grab my lobster clasp, and I'm just going to insert my jump ring into the lobster clasp, and I'm going to close it. Yeah, so that is one end done, and for the other end we are going to open the other jump ring. So open your other jump ring, and yeah, so basically what happened here was that I was too harsh on my jump ring, and the thing flew somewhere else, so I had to get another one. So I basically just lost a jump ring here. So open your jump ring again, then insert that jump ring into that other loop at the other end, and also insert it into that little extension that we the extension chain. Guys, please get yourself some pliers. Like I said, I don't know where mine went to, so I've just inserted my jump ring into the loop, and I've inserted the that long chain extension into that jump ring, and I just closed it. And yep, that is basically it for your bracelet. Like I said, you can make this to be a long choker. You can just make this into smaller sections so that it can become a ring. You can make this into an earring. You can do so much with it, and you can make it in any color that you want. And with this extended clasp, it can fit any wrist at this point. Yeah, so that is it, looking nice and cute on my tiny wrist. So this is basically it for this tutorial. Tell me what you guys think. in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, click the notification bell, share the video. And yeah, if you have any requests, like I said, let me know down in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.